Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keyboard disappeared issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on keyboard and click on default keyboard and select Samsung keyboard. After select Samsung keyboard, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open key settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. Few seconds later, you will see Samsung logo is showing on your screen. You will see and enter your phone pin. Click on OK. You will check your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on this filter icon and turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on OK and search Samsung keyboard. Click on Samsung keyboard and click on storage and clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.